juicy pork belly in a shiny teriyaki glaze, ready in 30 minutes. Want to see how easy it is? Come on! You will only need a few simple ingredients. Chopped garlic cloves. Pierce pork belly pieces with a fork to help them cook faster and absorb more flavor. In a bowl, combine mirin, sake, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, water, sugar. Whisk. How do you like your teriyaki sauce? On the sweeter side or more savory? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear from you. In a dry pan over high heat, add the pork belly pieces without any oil and sear for about 2 minutes per side until golden and some fat renders out. Add the minced garlic and stir fry for about 10 seconds until aromatic. Add the sauce into the pan. Switch to medium heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes, flipping the pork once halfway through. Uncover, increase the heat to high, and cook for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens into a shiny glaze. As a busy mom, I don't always have time for complicated recipes, but dishes like this are a lifesaver. I can get dinner on the table fast and still feel special. My family loves it when the kitchen smells like sweet teriyaki. Cut into bite-sized pieces and serve with noodles and some garlicky broccoli. Click here for the recipe. And that's it! Juicy, tender teriyaki pork belly. I can promise you this, your family will definitely ask for more. So what is your favorite type of teriyaki? Do you like teriyaki chicken, beef, pork, tofu, or salmon? Comment below and share with us. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!